mixing colours and seeing what different colours you can get, and then we'll be introducing the colour wheel, which is this thing right here. We'll be starting off with the primary colours, which are red, yellow and blue.
They're called primary colours not because they got stuck in primary school, but because these are the three colours that you cannot mix by mixing two other colours. So they are your original colours, and if you had all the pencils missing out of your pencil case, if you only have yellow, red and blue, you can mix all the other colours with it. So to illustrate how colour works, we've got some food colouring here for you this morning.
3 glasses, 3/4 full of water, another glass for mixing, a jug for extra water, and the primary colours of food colouring. That's blue, red and yellow.
We're going to have our assistant coming to mix for us.
We're going to take a bit of blue and put it in here.
Once you've got your colours, just give them a quick mix so that all the food colouring is distributed evenly. And then you're going to start mixing these colours together and seeing what colours they give. First I'll mix yellow and red. Put an even amount of both into your other glass. You might want to put a piece of paper underneath so you don't spill. And we get orange. Next we're going to mix blue and yellow. Okay.
And the result is green.
Now we'll be mixing red and blue. Then you'll get a rather dark purple. So the purple, green and orange were our secondary colours made out of the primary colours. Now we're going to use the primary colours again, but all 3 of them, to make a tertiary colour.
By having mixed yellow, blue and red, you get a brown. For the first exercise, you'll need colour pencils. You'll need a yellow, a red and a blue, and we'll first just use the 3 colours and put them down, and then we will mix the other colours over them to see how we can achieve the secondary colours.
For the next exercise on the colour wheel, you'll need a paintbrush, a colour wheel template, watercolour paint, a glass of water and a palette. This can even be the lid of an ice cream container if you don't have a palette at home.
Okay, so once you've experimented with your pencils, you can go over to watercolour if you have. We're just going to be working with the blue, the red and the yellow, and we're going to be mixing those colours to create our secondary and our tertiary colours. So once you've experimented with your pencils, you can go over to your colour wheel. We're going to start with a triangle on the inside, which are 3 primary colours, our red, yellow and blue. Should we go for it?
Yes.
So once you've completed your 3 primary colours and laid them down on the colour wheel, you're now going to take those dollops onto your palette. 2 for each colour. So once you've completed your colour wheel, which we've just done by mixing the reds, the blues and the yellow to create all these beautiful colours, you can now move on to complementary colours.
So complementary colours are the colours that are opposite each other on the colour wheel. So red and green, yellow and purple, orange and blue. The colours that look nice together and complement each other. So we've just made a little place over here with the complementary colours together.
So the complementary of red is green.
Oh, like Christmas decoration.
Indeed. And then the complementary colour of your blue is the orange. And then the complementary colour of the yellow is the purple. As you saw, they are all opposite each other on the colour wheel.
And you don't have to stop at watercolour. You can do anything. You can use this for acrylics, for oil pastels, pretty much anything. Just practice, see what you come up with and have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.